Today looked confusing at first, but the market followed levels perfectly. If you understand supply and demand today, you were on the right side. Welcome to OptionWave, where we trade using levels, logic, and discipline. Today is January 27th, and today was a classic wide CPR day, where false breakouts are very common. Let's start with Nifty. Nifty opened with a small gap up, and first candle was bearish. On wide CPR days, this kind of move often creates a false breakout. Initially, Nifty moved down towards S1. From S1, price took support and moved upward. Price then reached the supply zone that we had already drawn in yesterday's pre-market analysis. Exactly from this supply zone, the market reversed. After reversing from supply, price moved down again and finally closed with bullish momentum. Yesterday in pre-market analysis, we marked two very important levels. One is supply zone and another one is previous swing. We are planning for long opportunities if bullish strength happened at this place. And also we are planning for short entries if market shows bearish strength at the supply zone. That's exactly what happened today. Price reacted with bearish momentum at the supply zone. I personally took the short opportunity at this place. Today I made profit around 6500 with two lots. In this video I don't want to show my P&L. If you are interested in that, I will show it in future videos. This was the best and cleanest trade opportunity in Nifty today. Now let's look at Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty showed similar price action but with one important difference. The demand zone we marked in yesterday's pre-market analysis was not tested today. Later in the afternoon, price moved upward and broke the supply zone, but there was no rejection from the supply. So there was no clear trade setup in Bank Nifty. That's why today the best opportunity came only in Nifty. Wide CPR days test patience. If you waited today, you trade like a professional. You don't need trades every day in every index. Now let's prepare for tomorrow's market. First of all, I would like to remove all these lines. Let's mark important levels in daily time frame. This bearish candle we can take it as a supply zone. Why? Because very less rejection upside. We can take this also as a supply zone. Today market doesn't close below this level, right? This PDL still be acting as a valid zone for tomorrow's market. Next support we can take this level. These are the important levels in daily time frame. Let's come to 5 minutes time frame. Now let's mark demand and supply zones. Here we can find some supply zone at this place. Why I am drawn this supply zone here is this imbalance still be not touched here. That's why we are taking this as a supply zone. Okay. If market opened around this level, we can plan for short opportunities from the supply zone. If tomorrow market opened around this level and shows some bullish strength at the CPR, then we can expect long opportunities. If the market gives breakout of the supply zone, then we can expect long opportunities. These are the entry setups in Nifty. Let's come to Bank Nifty. Let's remove all these lines. Let's mark important levels in daily time frame. We can take this level as a valid zone or supply zone. Coming to downside, we can take it as a valid zone. Why I am taking it? Price didn't close below this PDL. Next supply zone, we can take this level. There is no rejection from this candle, right? That's why I'm taking it as a supply zone. Here also same. If market breaks this supply zone, then we can expect long opportunities. If market comes down till the CPR, then we can expect long opportunities here. If in case market outside the supply zone, then if the price closes below this level, then we can expect short opportunities. These are the entry setups in Bank Nifty. I posted these in WhatsApp channel. If you are interested, you can join. This is exactly how we plan trades, simple levels, clear rules and controlled risk. If you want to learn this approach step by step, details are shared in the description. If this analysis helped you, subscribe to OptionWave. I upload one video after every trading day. This is Sidhu from OptionWave. Thank you.